Today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. Where's my okay. Today is going to be which blends better, an artiste brush versus a beauty blender. And we're going to test it out on my neck right here. We're just going to go with that foundation that looks like on my face and test it on my neck. And we're going to see which looks nicer and blends better compared to the other. And we'll probably go into my chest area. So I'm going to start with my foundation on my neck. I got foundation on my shirt. Okay, so this half of my neck and dash chest is gonna be blent with the beauty blender. This half is gonna be blent with an artiste brush, or other way around. Yeah. This half of the neck is gonna be blent with this. With this you put little to no effort in it at all. And it blends beautifully. My hands aren't tired of blending. Okay, now on this side, let me just show you. Okay, so this half of the face is already blended. This half the chest and neck is already blended with one. Now we're gonna test it. We're gonna blend out the beauty blender. And I'm already having a problem with the beauty blender. The beauty blender is not spreading the product that way. The beauty blender is only dabbing in. It's not spreading the product around like this does. So which product do I prefer to use? Now that I've got both a beauty blender and my toothbrush, I think that a beauty blender is good for applying products, but when it comes to blending out products, artiste brushes, or these brushes, these ones are by Urban Studio. These I gave for $3. I think these work blend out a lot nicer. And just look, this is a blend a lot faster. And I mean, look at my face. Like, I used this today. I mean, there's some oily patches from my foundation I gotta go fix. But I think they blend really nice, especially like with my neck and my chest that have like this flawless look. Sorry, you guys can see it. It has like, gives you this flawless look. So honestly, I prefer this over the beauty blender now. Just saying. Make sure you check out my other YouTube videos. Follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be doing a giveaway here in a few weeks. I'm going to be doing a giveaway April 13th and April 23rd. Through April 23rd, so that's 10 days to enter. And make sure you follow my little brother at smokescreen prat 2. And make sure you follow me on Snapchat at Cadis15. All details will be in the description box.